everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So huge update, Uber is now accepting cryptocurrency payments. We are gonna get into the news. This is the Rideshare Hub where we talk about Uber, Lyft, and a lot of gig apps, which speaking of cryptocurrency and money, our sponsor for today's video is Public.com. Public.com is an awesome trading app, and when you use our link down below, they're gonna send you $1,000 worth of free, up to $1,000 worth of free stock just for signing up and making a quick deposit. You can make a minimum deposit of $1, sign up, and you'll get a free stock, and the stock will be valued over $1. So use our link below to sign up for Public, and now let's get started. So as we see right now, this is on Crypto International Business Times, Uber Eats now accepts Shiba Inu as payment after expanding nationwide delivery in the United States. Shiba Inu holders can now use the crypto to pay for Uber Eats. Uber does not accept direct cryptocurrency payments at the moment, but Uber Eats, the online food delivery platform, joins the bandwagon as it starts accepting the dog-themed altcoin Shiba Inu as a form of payment. Acceptance of Shiba Inu as payment continues to grow, with Uber Eats as the latest company to embrace the popular altcoin. Sheep holders can now pay for their food orders using the dog-themed crypto asset using BitPay, according to the Bitcoin payment service provider's announcement on Twitter. At the moment, Uber does not accept direct crypto payments, but the payment service provider offers several alternatives that allow crypto holders to use Shiba's payment. This includes using BitPay gift cards, BitPay cards, and MenuFi. Hungry? Pay for DoorDash and Uber Eats food delivery with crypto, BitPay. So as you see here, DoorDash and Uber Eats food delivery both accept now crypto. You can pay for your food with cryptocurrency. So what does this mean for drivers? It doesn't mean a whole lot. Basically, you're gonna be operating and doing food delivery as normal. Now, when a user uses cryptocurrency to pay, it's all gonna be handled through the app, and that's gonna be converted into US dollars, which you still will receive. Now, let me know your thoughts on this. Does this make it a little bit more confusing for you? Or do you know, I kind of like it, honestly. You know, they're expanding, and you know, a lot of people only like using cryptocurrency, so more orders for you means more money for you. So anyways, check out the link below for Public, where you can sign up. You can follow me on Public as well. You can follow my, you know, see what I'm up to over there. And once you sign up, you're gonna get up to $1,000 of free stock just for using my link. So let me know your thoughts on today's video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.